It is the 240Z HLS30 for the 1972 model year with a left-hand drive dashboard. And today's What's in the Box. Hey everyone, and welcome into the garage for today's What's in the Box. And we're taking a look at the Datusn 240Z HLS30 for the 1972 model year from Hasegawa Hobby Kits. This was released about a month ago now. It's going to be a modified reissue with some new parts, and those new parts are going to be to make it left-hand drive. It's going to be for basically a US spec version of the Datusn 240Z. Sealing goes back to about 2005 when it was initially released as the 1971 Safari Rally winner with the Safari bits. Then it was reissued as the 240ZG. Then it got a reissue in 2006 as the Fairlady Z432R. Then it was reissued as a police version in 2011. And then in 2017 it was reissued as with the new box for the Safari version. And then in 2018 it was reissued again with some new decals to do the 1972 Monte Carlo Rally version. And here we are with the left-hand drive version. So let's get into it and check it out. And getting started with the body. Continuing on with the body theme, if you will, we'll take a look at the portion that has the front fascia, front bumper piece, headlight piece, as well as some chassis bits as well. And moving on to the first of the main parts trees. See, this has a lot of the chassis bits, suspension bits. First, the chassis. Yes, this is a curbside. And the next main big parts tree, which has a little bit more of everything. See some interior bits, part of the transmission. The kit still includes the right-hand drive dashboard. That is because this is basically the main part of the kit was the right-hand drive, so it's still included on the main parts tree. Moving on to the next set of parts trees, which will have the front seats, as well as the rear brakes, and some wipers, and some interior and some other bits on there as well. And the new for this kit parts tree, which will be the left-hand drive bits. So you have the left-hand drive dashboard, the wipers, pedals, front grille piece, was the steering column. So that is the new parts tree, the new parts for this kit. Now we'll turn our attention to the chrome parts tree. First we'll take a look at this little small one here. It has some mirrors, has the rear view mirror, a side view mirror, the bumper guards, looks like the exhaust tip, mirror faces. And the next parts tree has the wheels, the bumpers, now we turn our attention to the tires, which are going to be basically nothing special tires, no sidewall detail at all. Now we'll take a look at the clear parts tree. See, there's a good amount of clear parts. And I believe this one is going to be new for this kit, which was new for this version. I believe this was newly tooled up. So I believe these are going to be the ones you're going to be using. And now finally we'll take a look at the decal sheet. Also included is a small sheet of metal transfer, metal scripts, and badging and emblems, and mirror faces. So that's going to about do it for this look at the Datusn 240Z HLS30 kit from Hasegawa Hobby Kits. Pretty certain that if you want to get yourself some Nissan color match paint, you know where to go. I'm pretty sure Jameson and Scalefinishes can get you some mixed up for this one. So on that note, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.